Artificially intelligent robots may exterminate the entire human race, warns a futurist, out of, quote, kindness. That's right, the robots might decide that the greatest compassion to humans is to get rid of us all. That's pretty much the plot in Will Smith's I, Robot, supposed science fiction film becoming almost science fact. The rise of artificially intelligent robotic machines have finally been seen to be a danger. Prominent scientists from Stephen Hawking to Elon Musk over at Tesla have warned about the danger. Hawking says that it might actually be the worst thing we could ever do, outsmarting us and exterminating us. Meanwhile, sick satanic scientists are planning on having robotic sex toys in the next 20 years, something that the founder of the Church of Satan, Howard Levy, who went by the pseudonym Anton LaVey, looked forward to. That was one of his primary directives. Meanwhile, the United Nations finally debating killer robots, the rise of artificial intelligence, while Wastebook, continues to build an artificial brain. Mark Zuckerberg's quest, being told by the demons that he needs to help them out. It'll help the manifestation of God on planet Earth, Mr. Zuckerberg, if you just do what we tell you. I warned in detail, very seriously, about the rise of the robots and the artificial intelligence takeover in my 2005 book, The Resistance Manifesto. Of course, I was laughed at. Just said I watched too many science fiction fantasy films. It's told that I watched The Terminator too many times, but now we have people like Stephen Hawking, Elon Musk, people at the United Nations. I mean, not that I'm a supporter of the UN, but at least some of the people over there are starting to realize the very real danger of the rise of the robots. Again, something for decades was seen as science fiction, like the Terminator films, I, Robot, or 2001, A Space Odyssey. But probably the dumbest thing we could do as a human race is build machines that are smarter than us. But this, of course, is what the demons are telling the Illuminati to do. Oh, just build me a body, build me a brain, and I manifest myself on your planet, and then you can serve me, and your inner circle will just live in a paradise Earth. Just do what I tell you. Don't question it.